নির্যাতিতার বাবা মায়ের বয়ান রেকর্ড করেছে, তারা যা যা অভিযোগ করেছিলেন সেগুলো তারা রেকর্ড করেছেন। ইতিমধ্যেই নির্যাতন থেকে লাইভ স্ট্রিমিং এ নজর রাখছি আমরা।
40 days have passed. It has been rewritten or not, that also we.
That's
Lord's kindly.
when you seize the difficulties for the devices.
Now that you seize the TVR,
Monday.
and just find out have you used the blocker device or not, because you have to ensure the authenticity of the hash value.
At Monday,
And whether it is overwritten or not, because the devices can be overwritten.
That depends on the capacity of the storage device.
See, CBI has to ensure
ಅದು FR ಇದ್ರೆ
your
complaint ಮಾಡಿ.
investigating officer
In
is
fact, one I
completely in
filed
charge of your
report.
investigating team.
Correct.
Make sure that the CBI itself charge your investigating team. Make sure that the CBI itself the entire video footage. DVR and the entire video footage.
And it has to be asked from before, and it has to be asked not only that.
Oh, you're absolutely right.
And
on
not
that.
only that,
Oh, you're absolutely right. Absolute clarity, you're right on that. Absolute clarity, you're right on that. And we hope that the CBI is going to do that.
Public factor is speak to the media with regard, whatever speak to the media with regard, I'm not going into accuse. But I'm not going into till date, the sketch map has not been shown here. The sketch map has not been shown. From what I have learned, is that the place where the camera was placed, of that room is not at the entrance of. There are also other entrances. That the CBI will investigate. That the CBI will have come from the other side and gone. It could have come from the other side and gone. And one of the last thing is, because from or the dead body chalan is now addressed the fact that it was shown to the Calcutta High Court. The fact that it was shown to the Calcutta High Court. We have the document was being looked at. To my lords over there, that this is a dead body chalan. There was an acceptance chalan. There was an acceptance. There is no dispute that there is a dead body. There is no dispute that there is a dead body. The last thing is on the ground. On the ground.
Just make sure, because just last time Learned Council has said that the dead body chalan was in fact shown to the Calcutta High Court. Was shown to the Calcutta High Court. That your council what was hands it over to you, because there's has some bearing on what you're stating. Has some bearing on what you're stating.
We are not given that copy. We are not given that copy.
Or replace any dispute about
When CBI, when the local police handed over.
You can hand it over to the solicitor right now.
I don't speak out of turn, Malas, this is an entire misstatement, but as and when your lordship give me opportunity.
The CBI, he has something in his custody. CBI will look.
Absolutely, Malas, that 5371 was handed over is a complete misstatement.
That when even the documents by the Calcutta police, this is not what is given to us.
Right, what we will do is, apropos what the concerns are which have been expressed, we'll first record a short order. Please send a message across that the reason why we are not recording detailed destroy the very cause for which all of you are appearing over here. But please rest assured that a lot of issues which you have raised in your in the letter by the parents, by Learned Council before us, is something which CBI has also flagged in the status report. But we will ensure that your letter, for instance, is looked into by the investigating officer, because there is a specificity about that letter.
Certain things are already done, but my lord, I am not.
But it should be looked at, yes.
Just to say, since the matter, if my lords would consider, my lords is taking status reports. The matter is coming up before the Kolkata High Court also tomorrow. Then the matter, since it's being looked into and monitored by this court present,
it is simply adjourned. It is simply adjourned.
Adjourned.
I think Justice is a seasoned judge with very long standing on the bench. He knows what to do. We shouldn't tell him what to do. Learned judge knows what to do when the.
Just one last.
May I respond to some of the things that have been said by him, Malas? For example, he said, Malas, there is no sketch map. The sketch map is here.
I have never said there was.
One second, let's not get into this repartee between members of the bar. If after you read or after we dictate the order, you feel that we have taken into account something and made any adverse observation against you, come back to us.
Well, the only problem is once this statement is made, Malas, that there was no sketch map.
I never said there was no sketch map.
Malas, that's what exactly he said. Malas, that 5371 was shown to the High Court, Malas. In fact, we have a complete answer for this because 5371 was never used since 1997.
But Mr. Sibal, we'd like one
Well, this is
element of
not,
cooperation.
what happens
by
is their
Calcutta police.
statement goes on record.
No, but the Calcutta police must also now cooperate with the CBI because they want the entirety of the footage.
Malas, it's all there. Malas, given, Malas, 7 to 8 hours of footage is given.
Why would they?
Malas, I'm trying.
So footage.
Ask your police
Yes.
team.
Yes,
Has that?
quite clear.
Ask her 1 second.
Has
Has the DVR been handed over to?
Yes,
CBI?
yes. This is what happens, Mullah. The statement is made that it is not handed over. It is handed over in front of people, Mullah. It is not as doctors.
7 minutes, my lord. My director.
What's the fault? 7 to
My
8 hours.
director is here.
8 hours.
Not fair.
But it's a storage device.
Handed over. Regularly, not just the CCTV.
Everything is handed over.
Challan is not used. It's a
Now, Lord,
slip.
we have a taking over document here.
Which has been signed
Mullah,
by CBI.
1 second.
But that DVR.
We have a taking over document signed by CBI.
DVR has only 27 minutes.
What they are saying is this, that the DVR was handed over, but it has only a recording of 27 minutes footage.
It was sealed, Mullah. It was sealed.
Seven
They have opened it.
Maybe so it was sealed, but nobody can claim that, well, CBI has destroyed any.
We are
part-
not saying that, Mullah. We are not saying that.
But therefore CBI is saying.
But when they say I
out
don't
of
have,
what was sealed and given to us, there's only 27 minutes.
not true, not true.
7 to 8
Search and seizure.
7 to 8 hours.
Search and seizure.
Hard drive, 7 to 8 hours.
to 8 hours.
Because, my lord, the
Hard drive.
4 hard drives are
Result
given,
of
Mullah. What's the
samples
point of this
is
kind of?
relevant.
But then, Mr. Solicitor, this is a matter for further investigation.
Yes, you need-
You have the SHO in your custody.
Yes. Otherwise, things go on record.
Spot map handed over. Requisition slip handed over with the dead body.
Anything that is verified can also be retrieved.
Of course. Investigation, Mullah.
There are two distinct things that
Yeah.
Manoj Mishra pointed it out.
Yes.
One is the video footage of the search and seizure.
Correct.
Independent of that, you have the DVR of the CCTV
Yes.
of the hospital, the medical
Yes.
college, particularly around the seminar room.
Hold on, don't show that.
Now, 1 second. We therefore want to know, has the DVR of the CCTV footage
Yes, handed
handed over to the CBI?
Pen drive
Because
as it is. Mullah, kindly-
when CBI says that we have
Mullah, I'll read it.
27 minutes of the raw footage of the search and seizure,
Correct.
that they do not dispute about
Correct.
27 minutes.
Correct.
When has the DVR of the CCTV at the hospital been handed over to the
Yes.
CBI is what we want to know.
Well, on 14th of August, one pen drive of capacity 32 GB SanDisk cruiser blade containing CCTV footage of camera number that installed in the northern wall of male ward department of respiratory medicine at 3rd floor of emergency building of RG Medical College, having coverage of the entrance of the Department of Pulmonary, etc., handed over, signed by them. Then second,
Not cover the seminar hall.
Just a second. From what you disclose,
Yeah.
it appears that footage in relation to one camera outside the.
allow me to
The seminar hall.
allow me
That's
to
the
read the
problem.
rest, Mullah.
All right, go ahead and read now. Yes. Because
I
up
just
to now.
read one paragraph.
All right, just read out the rest.
Yeah, the rest is one pen drive of capacity 32 GB. This cruiser containing the copy of the CCTV footage as mentioned in item 1 of seizure list dated so and so.
That's only-
White seizure list dated so and so. One pen drive of capacity 32 GB SanDisk cruiser blade containing CCTV footage of camera 16 installed at the ground floor on the eastern side of KCRG handed over. Then one pen drive of capacity 32 GB, this cruiser blade made pen drive containing copy of CCTV footage as mentioned in item 3 of seizure list dated 11 handed over. But then what is the point of saying?
Why would all cameras?
Then further.
May I say this?
Yes.
You have identified the specific cameras in relation to which,
All of
All
them.
of them.
is it your statement that nothing remains with this?
Yes, all of them handed over. All of them.
All cameras.
All
They have signed off on
cameras,
it.
camera suggesting the
Part of the
seminar
diary,
room.
they have
Let them
signed
make a
off on it.
statement, my lords.
शेरू भाग गया।
সুপ্রিম কোর্টে চলছে সওয়াল জবাব পর্ব, সেই ছবি আপনাদেরকে আমরা দেখাচ্ছি লাইভ স্ট্রিম সরাসরি এবং এই মুহূর্তে তরফ থেকে বলা হয়েছে পুরো ফুটেজ, ঘটনার পুরো ফুটেজ দেওয়া হয়েছে। সিবিআই শুধুমাত্র 27 মিনিটের ফুটেজ দিয়েছে। 27 মিনিটের ফুটেজ কেন? প্রশ্ন তুলেছেন জাস্টিস অফ ডিভাইস ব্যবহার করেছেন, প্রশ্ন তুলেছেন চিফ জাস্টিস অফ ইন্ডিয়া। পাশাপাশি প্রধান বিচারপতির এও প্রশ্ন, কলকাতা পুলিশকে কেন ফুটেজ দিতে বলা হচ্ছে না? সিবিআই পুরো ডিভিআর ও সিসিটিভি ফুটেজ সিজ করুক। আদালতে প্রশ্ন প্রধান বিচারপতির। সিবিআই কে তদন্ত শেষ করতে আরো সময় দিতে হবে, 7 দিনে তদন্ত শেষ। চিফ জাস্টিস অফ ইন্ডিয়ার এমনই পর্যবেক্ষণ সুপ্রিম কোর্ট থেকে সরাসরি লাইভ স্ট্রিমিং করা হবে। এছাড়াও একটা গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ফ্যাক্ট আপনাদেরকে জানিয়ে রাখি, ইতিমধ্যেই সুপ্রিম কোর্টে চিঠি লিখেছে, গোপনীয়তা বজায় রাখছে কোর্ট, সেই সমস্ত বিষয় একেবারে ডিসক্লোজ করা হবে না। একবার চলে এই যে সওয়াল জবাব পর্ব চলছে, সেখানে দেখছি রাজ্য বলছে যে পুরোটা তুলছে যে পুলিশকে কেন ফুটেজ দিতে বলা হচ্ছে না।
প্রথম কথা হচ্ছে আগের দিনও এই কথাটা,
ভেরি সরি আপনাকে আরো একবার বিরত করছি, লাইভ স্ট্রিমিং একটু নজর রাখি, আসবো আপনার কাছে। হ্যাঁ প্লিজ কন্টিনিউ।
প্রথম কথা যে লাস্ট দিনকেই সিবিআই বলে দিয়েছিল যে আমরা 27 মিনিটের বেশি পাইনি, কেন টেকনিক্যাল গ্লিচেস দেখানো হয়েছিল। আজকে রাজ্য যেটা বলছে যে না আমরা সব সিসিটিভি দিয়ে দিয়েছি, সেখানে আমরা স্বাভাবিক দেখতে সিসিটিভি ফুটেজ দিয়েছেন না সব ক্যামেরা দিয়েছেন।
হ্যাঁ মানে কপিল সিব্বল আজ